Just a quick catch-up video on where we're getting on with the workshop and the move and extending the shed. Not done one for a while, just been busy moving stuff around. So it's got a couple of pictures here just showing the mess that we're in. Got a couple of machines moved, got the horizontal miller in place, got some power to it, checked all over it runs. I'll be doing some videos on that obviously later on once we get settled in. Got this moved, as you can see. This is only temporary where this is, because it's sort of one of those sliding puzzles games when you were a kid, so I had to move that there to get that there, to put that there, to put that back again. So that's what we're on with at the moment. Just moving all sorts of stuff around, and we've also got some timber in, ready for putting like a false wall, and if you will, to separate a bit of storage from a work area, and also to put like a bit of a mezzanine type floor, not a walk on, but just like a storage above that storage space, if you will, to give us a bit more storage. So yes, I'll just give you a quick tour with some pictures, and just show you where we're up to. So the start of the mess, as you can see, in the background you can still see the box there in its original place. That's where we've done most of our filming and videos from. Where the red sack truck is in the bottom left hand corner, that's where the Super 7, the Mafia Super 7 that I've been leaned against in the opening shot, that's where that used to live, and there was a bit of a temporary wall in there. Also on the right hand side, that big gap, there was a workbench there that I've just moved into the new bit. But you can see there at the back as well, in front of the box, it is all the timber that we're going to be putting like a false wall in to separate like a storage area to keep that lot clean. Put some decent sort of racking and shelving in there. Now this next picture, this is the bench I said was on the right hand side. This where the gap is. This is the bench I just moved into the new bit. Again, it's getting a bit cluttered as you're moving stuff. At the back you can see the Harrison horizontal there. That's in situ, got power to it. We've also got some nice leveling feet on there, which I'll cover in a full video when we get there. But it's up and it's running, so we can, if we need to use it, we can do. And like I said, we've got a little temporary table on the right hand side there with another sack truck leaning against it, again just to give us somewhere to put stuff while we're moving stuff about. And on the left you can see these drawers. They were actually, I made the drawers the other week. I should have really done a little video on those, but again, when you're just busy getting on with stuff, the actual frame is like from a hospital or something like that. I think he used to have plastic sort of trays in there. Anyway, we had this frame knocking around for ages outside, getting rusted. I thought, they'll do. So I made some wooden drawers for that. It's a handy bit of storage. They're not even anywhere near half full yet, so they're brilliant. And on this one, like I said, this is where we did the intro from. So this is where the Super 7 moved. So this is behind where I just stood taking that last photograph. Again, just put a temporary bench in there for now while we're moving stuff about, just to keep us working. So you can see the drill there, toolbox, few tools in, and Super 7 we can still work at it. The box should, even though it looks like you can't work at it, behind that timber I have left just enough room so we can get past it, get to it, and still carry on working. So there you go, definitely not job done. Yeah, it's still a bit of a mess. These things are always they take time. Obviously I've got other things going on as well as trying to get this done. But yeah, with the next couple of weeks I'll try and prioritise getting some videos done as well, as I've just been that busy, just not time to do anything. So yeah, so there we're at. Like I said, we've got a partial move, some stuff stay where it is for the time being. Everything's still usable, everything I can still work. Things are a little bit small, one bench less at the moment while I'm doing other things, so I've got a temporary table set up, as you can see. So yeah, everything's just like it is, but we're getting there, and like I say, slowly but surely we'll get it sorted. So thanks again, YouTubers, for bearing with us. If you've got any questions, anything you'd like to ask us, pop them down below and we'll see what we can do about it. And as always, YouTubers, until next time, it'll be right.